Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need Apple ID access and FaceTime enabled. Open Settings and tap FaceTime to confirm. Once done, make sure your phone number and email are listed. This is how others reach you. Now go to the Phone or Contacts app, select a contact, and tap the FaceTime video icon. That starts the call flow. You do this first because device-level permissions and identity routing decide call quality and compatibility before any further in-call settings matter. Once your call connects, tap the screen to reveal controls so you can mute, flip the camera, or add effects. Make sure to use the Swap Camera button for quick rear camera sharing, and try SharePlay to sync media. It keeps everyone on the same timeline. If you need privacy, enable mute. Otherwise, manage audio routes from Control Center. This matters because timely control saves bandwidth and prevents accidental audio or video exposure during sensitive moments. To finish, tap the red End button, then close FaceTime if you want a fresh start. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone, sign out and back into Apple ID and update iOS. These steps resolve most software glitches. Make sure to test the front camera in the Camera app to separate hardware faults from FaceTime settings. If everything else fails, reset network settings. This clears bad configurations affecting call setup while keeping your data intact.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.